Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And today is day 24 of 90 days challenge. And as you know, guys, we continue our series like vocabulary practice. And today we are here another with another vocabulary. And now I I am trying to make sentence on these vocabularies. Okay, so yes, tell me.
First thing first, let me correct you. This is not day 24, it's day 34. Okay, so let's proceed with the words today and let's expand our vocabulary. And for that, you have first word as expend. Make a sentence using expend.
Expand.
Yeah.
Hmm. People expand their business because they want to good return in their business.
Hmm. They want good return. Okay. Shy.
Shy. She is very shy girl.
She is a very shy girl. Okay. You also have to make a sentence, guys, in the comment box. This is not a very big task to do, just a few words and making sentences, that's all. So using expend, make a sentence in the comment box, and then using shy, you can share a sentence and let us know that if you are a very shy introvert kind of person or very extrovert. Okay, let's proceed with the next one, and this is dynamic.
Dynamic. Dynamic is like full of
Not dynamic, it's dynamic.
dynamic. Dynamic. Okay. Mm, when actors make any video, when actors made any movie, that time they acting like full of dynamic.
They are dynamic. Okay.
Great.
Lonely.
Lonely. Hmm. uh, some people feel loneliness than where some people feel loneliness because at that time they feel very depressed and in very stress, so that time they feel loneliness, I think it's
Hmm.
correct.
Yeah, you can say you feel lonely when you are alone and you don't have a particular purpose to pursue in life, and you don't enjoy your leisure time much, and maybe you are not into certain kind of hobby that you want to follow or do anything. It means you are feeling lonely and you don't enjoy that particular time and your company. So yes, you can say people who don't enjoy, they feel lonely, and then that turns into kind of depression gradually. Okay, the next word is justify.
Justify. Justify.
Hmm.
Justify को दिखाना
Means
क्या होता है?
prove the reasons.
Prove the reasons. Okay. When you are correct, and if anybody
When someone,
when someone,
not anybody, when someone wants you to justify, prove yourself. When someone wants you to prove yourself, you
yeah,
have to justify the things
if
that you
if
say.
you correct at your level, then you justify by your document, by your any proof, then you can justify yourself.
Oh, if you are correct already, then you don't need to justify even. Hmm. Okay, the next one is predict.
Predict. Okay, sometime I predict market movement because I do trading and investing.
Okay, it's too dark. I don't know what happened. The weather is quite
Yeah, because
unpredictable.
sunlight, because of sunlight, the
So,
camera quality is very dark.
okay. So, we have done with the 6 words. You guys can make sentences in the comment box. And the next task you can do if you are an intermediate speaker, using all the words, make a paragraph which makes a sense, not just random anything. Write down a paragraph which makes sense. There you can use all these words.
Okay, guys, and that's it for today. We will see you in the next video with the new challenge, and take care and keep learning, keep growing. Bye bye.